Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Bezier tool on Pixellab. I'm going to be taking you through the step one at a time. If you're new here, my name is RK Visuals. I give design tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and also turn off the notification button so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Let's get started. So the Bezier tool is a very important tool in Pixellab, although many people say that it's one of the hardest, but that is not true. It is not really the hardest tool. It's one of the simplest tool of Pixellab if you are able to master it. When I started designing, I also had trouble learning the tool. Although someone actually taught me, I still found it difficult to understand it. But with time, I was able to master the tool, and that is why I'm making this tutorial to also teach you guys how to use this tool on Pixellab. So this tool you can use it to create logos, you can use it for your illustrations. What if I tell you that this tool you can actually use it to create logos, like we create logos like the Apple logo and other amazing logos like that. So this is what we use the tool to do. So in today's tutorial, I'm just going to be covering like the basis of this tool, more of an introduction. So if you guys want me to go deeper into explaining this tool, just let me know in the comment section, then I can maybe make a series explaining this tool. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to go deeper into this tool. So today I'm just going to be explaining the tool, giving an introduction. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to change the color of this background. I'm going to change the color of the background to white, and I'm going to delete this text. Then we head over to Bezier. So now when you click on it, it's going to show like this. I'm going to be seeing various functions. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the meaning of each of the functions. So now when you look at the first set of functions, you will see that we have this plus icon, we have this less than icon, one copy icon, then this greater than icon, then there's a minus icon. So now for this plus icon, when you want to add a new curve line, so you can see that there's a curve line already on the screen immediately I clicked on the icon. Now when you want to add a new one, click on the plus like this. Then when you want to remove the one we just added, this minus. Now I'm going to add this one. You notice that when I click on it again, the number in the center changes to 2. When I minus it, changes to 1. So the function of that circle is going to specify the numbers of curves you have on your background. So when I click on plus, it changes to 2. So now this less than icon is going to be used to move this first line that we created. This one is used to move the second line that we created. And this plus icon is similar to the copy icon. You can just use it to create duplicates like this plus 2. You understand? So it's just basically the same thing. So that's all for the first functions on the first line. So now we move to the Bezier mode. So for this first icon, you will see that this first icon, the icon is looking like the curve line with a plus on it. So it means that when you want to add another additional curve, not like the plus icon, but like this, let me show you. So you can see we are able to create another curved icon by clicking on it like this. That is the function of that. When you click on this, you would see that this is showing the curved icon, but with a line on top. So this is specifying that you can use this function to move your curved icon like this. I say that it is showing lines. When you click here too, you see the same line to control it to form what you want it to form. So now when you look at the third icon, you will see that it's showing 4 arrows to the top, to the left, to the right and below. So this is just basically saying that you can use this icon to move it anywhere you want. We have a similar icon on Pixellab in your design, you see that icon too. So that's basically what this does. So let's go to the next functions. Sorry, let me just press cancel. We can just click here again. So the next functions, you will see that it writes actions. So now, to explain this first icon, let me try to duplicate. Then I'll click here to move the one I've duplicated. Now look at this. You will see that this first icon shows the curved icon. It's an X, meaning that you can use it to delete a curved line like this, and you can use this. Sorry, just press this back. Use it to delete it. That's the meaning of that. You can use it to delete a curved icon. Now look at the a curved line. Sorry. Now look at the second icon that is there. It is showing two lines and their points are meeting together. So this icon, when you click on this icon, you will be able to create new points like this. Let me click on it, sorry. Like this. Sorry, I'm coming. So this is the icon. This was what I wanted to explain, this second one. So when you click on the second one, you can see that the curves are joined. The curves, they are joined by a point. So when you click on it, you'll be able to create new points like this, like this, like this. You can do it. So that's what I wanted to explain, not that third icon. So you can just delete it here. So I'm going to be deleting to explain the third one. So the third one, you will see that there are two curves there, and these two curves are joined together. They are not on top of each other like the second one that I showed you. They are like joining together. So when you click on this, they're going to join together like this. Let me show you again. When you see that when I clicked on it, they join together, and it shows a new function in which the 2 points separate. So when I click on that, they will separate. When I click on this, they will join together. Now look at another change below. There's another change that is when I click on this opacity disappears. When I click on joint again, it appears. So the reason why that happens is that immediately I separate them, it becomes just a line. But when I join them together, it becomes a shape. Let me explain. Let me show you something. So when I do this, I'm trying to show you. I'm just going to form it into a shape so you'll be able to understand. I'm trying to create a shape here like this, and this is looking like an eye. So let me just do this now. So they are joined now. So this is the opacity. You can see that. Now you cannot put a color. Notice that if I separate, as I said before, if I separate these two lines, it will not show these two functions, so you guys will not get confused. But now it is showing it because it has become a shape. Now I'm going to be using this color like this, and we can move ahead. Now this is where there's another function, that is the stroke. If I see this black line, it's the stroke. I can choose to increase it like this and to reduce it. Now these shapes that are at the bottom here, they are the stroke heads. Now you can see that the stroke actually comes at a point like this. They join together at a point. So this stroke heads means these places that they are joined together. How would they look? So when I press on this one, you can see that it is curved like this. If I press on this, you can see that it changes. If I press on this, it is pointed. So that is the function of this stroke heads that are there. Let me zoom out back. So the opacity of this stroke, you can reduce and increase it here. You can also give your stroke a color, but you can just use it like this. So that's basically for the introduction of Bezier. You can look at this picture. I don't know, maybe it's only I just like looking like an eye. That's why I said that you can use the Bezier tool to create illustration. This is where many designers create amazing illustrations. So that is why the tool is very important. So guys, if you want me to dive deeper into how to use the Bezier tool, let me know in the comment section so that in my next video I'll be able to talk more on it, or maybe I could just do a series where we will be discussing more on it and creating logos and different illustrations. So please let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget, my name is Alki Visuals. I give design tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment, drop a comment in the comment box, and please turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to know that I have. So please don't forget to do that. See you guys in my next video.